Hello and welcome to another update video about FET. FETCH.AI, I made a video only yesterday about FETCH.AI. It was consolidating and we saw a green candle to the upside, which I considered to be only wave C of 4. We haven't even broken above the recent highs, which were formed, if I make that a little bit larger, which were formed here around the 11th of August and the 14th of August, and just before that on the 7th of August. So as you can see here, we have a first rally after that dump, that mini crash happened on the 5th of August. We had a first rally, then I don't know what it is, just a sideways consolidation pretty much. Yeah, it wasn't much of a pullback, it was just a consolidation. And then a possible rally here to the upside that started, might have been just a wave C of wave 4 basically. Yeah, so an ABC structure, just a 3-wave rally. There isn't any sign for something more bullish at the moment. Surely it could turn into something more bullish, but I would need to see a 5-wave move from here. What would that mean? We would have a wave 1 and a wave 2. So that would be the same as we have now. Instead of an AB, it's a 1-2. But then the move up is not just a C wave. It would be a 3rd wave. Then we get a wave 4 and a wave 5. Then we have 5 proper waves to the upside. So I basically need, instead of just one more high, I need another higher low and another higher high. This would most likely also lead to a break above the trend line. The trend line break itself isn't so meaningful because it could literally just be a wick above and then a reversal, as we've seen today with Bonk. We need a break above the resistance area as well, because as you can see on the chart, I consider this to be a 4th wave, and a 4th wave in a diagonal to the downside, which I think this is, can easily stretch to the 61.8 retracement, the golden ratio level, in this case $1.15. So I need a break above $1.15, a sustained break, ideally in 5 waves. Well, I have to have 5 waves in order to confirm that a larger degree, 4th wave, as a more substantial low, has formed here on the 5th of August. Until I see 5 waves up, there's always a risk that this is just a corrective rally, which could simply lead to another move down. Whether it's a wave 4 or maybe something larger like a B wave rally or something isn't so important in that case, because we wouldn't have a clear, let's say, structure that confirms that a lasting low is in place. It would mean we have to be extremely careful. For now, this is only clearly a 3-wave move up, and even the rally that happened here from the Monday low, I mean, I don't want to really get into micro counting of an altcoin, but this doesn't really look like a 5-wave move up. Had it formed, maybe from here, one more high, we would have had 5 waves up. This is only a 3-wave move up, but then again, you know what I mean, we're just looking here at the 1-hour chart, really a micro perspective, so this is not so reliable. Could easily be a 1-2 setup, you know, for something more bullish, but there's no evidence for it. Okay, it would just be hopium speculation. So essentially, if you zoom out a little bit, or if I zoom out a little bit, you see that this chart has just been forming a sideways range from that, let's say from the 7th of August. So even though we've reached the top of the range, there is nothing that tells me that here something bullish is playing out. Not even in the short term, because we haven't even broken out of the local range. I mean, whether we see this as a larger Elliott wave pattern or not, it's not even broken out of the local range. So I could just simply draw a rectangle here. You can see we're just simply moving in a sideways range, and that's not impulsive, that's not bullish. So first of all, we need to get above 95 cents anyway to break out of the local range, and only then we can really deal with the question whether this is a C wave of a wave 4 or something more bullish. That's the update about FETCH.AI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.